Hello, wonderful students. How are you? Welcome to your science lecture. I am your Ruhin ma'am, and this is your science lecture of 3rd standard. So, in last videos, we have done bridge course assignment and we have completed that assignment, and I hope you all have watched all the videos and attended Google Meet. So today we are going to do some new worksheets which are helpful for you. Before that, before we start our lecture, we will see a beautiful thought. So thought for the day is, it always seems impossible until it's done. So there are many work which you feel that it is impossible for you, but you should not think that it is impossible, because nothing is impossible for anyone. First you have to work on it and you have to complete that work. Then you will feel that it was not impossible for you. So before thinking anything that is impossible, you should work hard on it and you should try it again and again so that it gets completed. And after completing that work or anything, you will feel that it was not impossible for us and anyone can do that work. So this was the beautiful thought. So, as usual, we will do some good manners, and in last video we have also done good manners. Okay, so today we are going to do some good manners. So, what is good manners? Good manners are the manners which make you a good person, which you should have in your life so that you will be a better person in your life. So for that we will see which are the good manners and we can apply it in our life. Getting along the good manners, in that first is be kind. Yes, we should always be kind to everyone who are around us. We should be kind to our family members, relatives, teachers, and our friends. If we are kind to everyone, then we will get respect and good response. If we are kind, then others will also be kind to us, and we can tell them then how important it is to be kind to everyone. So next is use polite words. Yes, we should use polite words in our conversation. If we will use that, we will be a good person. If we include these polite words, then we can talk to others very nicely. So always use polite words in your conversation. Then listen carefully. Yes, we should listen everyone very carefully before getting into any conclusion. If we will listen to them, then only we will get to understand what they are trying to tell. If we will not listen to them, then we will not understand. So we should listen to everyone very carefully. When you are attending your online classes, then also you should listen to your teachers first, then only you have to reply. You have to follow the rules which they are telling. You should go according to the rules. Okay, then think first. Before saying anything to anyone, we should think what we are going to speak. Is that hurting words or a nice word? Are the other person will get hurt from your words, then don't speak that words. Or before doing anything, you should think that what you are going to do, what actions you are going to do, is that that work, is that any think that will hurt other person, then you should not do that. Then be honest. You should be honest to everyone. You should speak truth and you should be honest so that you will. Okay, so in that you have one thought. Honesty is the best policy. It is said that if you are honest, that it is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Then take turns. When you are any line or anything where you have to take turns, so you should take turns. You should wait for your turn to come. For example, when you are doing online classes, then when the teacher is asking you question, you should wait for your turn. You should not speak between and disturb others. No, you should wait for the ma'am. After ma'am calls your name, then only you should speak. Because if you will speak in between and you will not wait for your turn, then it will disturb the whole class. So, wait for your turn to come. Respect everyone. We should respect everyone who are around us. Be respectful to everyone, to your elders, to your parents, to your teachers, and who are around you. Then help others. We should help others, so when we are in need, they will help us. Even if they don't help us, we should help them. Do your best. So whenever we are doing any work or anything, when we are studying or when we are working, we should give our best. If we will give our best, then only we will get our best results. So do your best and get the best. So these were the good manners which you should apply in your life to be a good person. So it is very important that you apply all these good manners in your life. If you will use this, you will be a better person. Be kind, use polite words, listen carefully, think first, be honest, take turns, respect everyone, help others, do your best. Okay? Now we will go ahead. So today we are going to do worksheets of solar system. This is our solar system. Here you can see sun and other 8 planets. Okay, so you have to write the names of the solar systems, of the planets, and you have to put them into order. Order the planets, identify the planets and write their names. So here you can see the sun is written and sun is in the center of the 8 planets. Okay, after that you can see a small planet is there which is the nearest to the sun. So which is the first planet in solar system? It is Mercury. So write it down in your rough book. You have to just write this name in your rough book. There is no need to draw all these planets. Just write the names in order. Okay. So first planet is Mercury. 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 Okay. So next planet is this one. So what is the name of this planet? Which is the second planet? Venus. 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 Write the name of the second planet. Venus. 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 Then okay, so this planet is the most important planet and you know this planet very well, and It is the planet which has life on it, and it is our planet on which we live. It is Earth. So third planet is Earth. 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 Okay. So this is our planet on which we live, Earth, and it has life on it, and no other planets have life on it. Only Earth has life, and it has water to drink, air to breathe in. So it is a planet which has life on it. Then which is the fourth planet? Which planet is this? It is Mars. 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 Write down fourth planet, Mars. 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 I hope you all are with me and you are writing this in your rough book. And we are on the fourth planet. Okay, now we will do the fifth planet. So, as you can see, this planet is the biggest planet from all. Yes, in this picture, this planet is the biggest one. So, which planet is this? It is Jupiter. So, write it down, Jupiter. Jupiter. Write name of this planet, Jupiter. 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 Now, next planet, as you can see, this is our next planet and it has rings around it. Can you see? These are the rings which are around this planet. Can you tell me which planet is this? It is Saturn. 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 Okay. Now, next planet is this one. Yes, it is the second last planet. And which planet is this? It also has rings, but they are very light, so you can't see that rings, but they are very light in color. Next planet is Uranus. 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 Now, last planet, which is this one, and it is the last planet in our solar system. So, which planet is this? This is the last one. Which planet is that planet? It is Neptune. 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 So, write down all these names of the planets in your rough book according to the order. First is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So I will wait for few seconds and you have to write this, all the names. Okay, now if we are still left behind, you can go back and stop the video and write it down. Now this is the solar system quiz. Okay, so here you have to give the answers for the following questions, and if you don't know, you can learn it. Okay, what is the number one? What is the largest planet in our solar system? Okay, as we have seen, there was one planet which was largest. Yes, which is that largest planet? It is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. As we have seen in the last activity, here you can see Jupiter is the largest one. Yes. So write down this question and answer also fast. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay. Now second question. What is the brightest object in the sky? You can see this object from here, from your window. You can see that is the brightest object, which is at the daytime, and it gives you heat and light. Which is that object? Can you tell me? Which is in the center of the solar system? That is sun. Sun is in the center of the solar system and it is the brightest object in the sky. You can see sun, and from here it is the brightest. It gives you light, it gives you heat. Then what planet is nicknamed the red planet? What planet is nicknamed red planet? Mars. Mars is nicknamed as red planet. It is the red planet. Write down Mars. Next is, what planet is so light it could float on water? So which planet is that much light which will float on water? So there is one planet which is very light. So let's see which is that. It is Saturn. Saturn is so light that it can float on water. Saturn, Saturn. What is the only planet known to support life? Okay, as we have discussed earlier, there is one planet which support life, on which we are living. That is our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is the only planet which has life on it. What planet is the farthest planet from the sun? Which was the last planet? That is the farthest planet, because it was on the last place. So that is Neptune. Neptune is the last planet and it is the farthest planet from the sun. Then what is the hottest planet in our solar system? There is one planet which is very hot and it is said that it is the hottest planet in the solar system. That is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. Then what is the coldest planet in the solar system? So which planet is the coldest planet where there is so much of cold? That is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet because it is far away from the sun. So that planet don't get that much sunlight. So it is the coldest planet. Okay, sunlight is there, because of sunlight the planets get heat, but Neptune is at the last place, so it get less heat compared to other planets. So Neptune is the coldest planet. Next, what planet has the largest ring system? Yes, we have seen in last worksheet that one planet was having rings around it, and it was very dark, and there were many rings, so it was Saturn. Write down Saturn. Then last question, what planet is the seventh from the sun? So, which is the seventh planet in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. Okay, you can count it as we have done the planets. Before this, we have written the names of it. You can find out that seventh planet is Uranus. Okay, so these are the 10 questions which are about the solar system. Yes, today you have learned something new about solar system. Then these are the planets which have different types of characteristics and are different from each other. So you have to write this in your rough book with the answers. I hope you are along with me, and if you are left behind, you can stop this video and write it down fast. I will wait for a few seconds. Okay, now we will go ahead with the next activity. So here, match each planet to its description. So there are some planets, and on the other side there are some descriptions about planets. So we have to match these two columns with each other. Okay, so in that first is Mercury. So Mercury, which is the right description for Mercury? So Mercury, the answer is smallest planet in our solar system. It is the smallest planet from all the planets in our solar system. Then comes Venus. As we have done the worksheet before, in that Venus was the hottest planet. Yes, here you can see the description. Venus is the hottest planet. Okay. Then third, Earth. Earth is the planet in which we live. So the answer is Earth, where we live. Then Mars. What is the answer for it? Mars is known as the red planet. As we have seen before that it is nicknamed as the red planet, and in picture you can see that it is red in color. Yes, so it is nicknamed and known as red planet. Then comes Jupiter. So Jupiter was the largest planet in solar system, as we have seen in the picture before. So the first description is for Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Then comes Saturn. So Saturn has rings. Yes, how many rings Saturn has? Saturn has 7 rings and at least 60 moons. We have one moon on Earth, yes, but Saturn has 60 moons. As you know that Earth, where we live, has one moon. Yes, you can see at night moon from here. So same way Saturn has 60 moons. How many moons? 60 moons and 7 rings. Then comes Uranus. So answer for that is an ice giant that spins on its side. It is like an ice giant that spins on its sides. It has ice giant that spins on its sides. Then last is Neptune. So Neptune, the windiest planet with winds up to 1200 meter per hour. So it is the windiest planet and it is 1200 meter per hour speed of the wind. So here your this worksheet also gets over, and we have learned some new descriptions about the planet. Yes? So let's do some revision of it. First we will learn the order of the planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the order of the planets. Okay, you have to learn this order. Okay, so you should know all this order, all these planets in order. Okay. So some solar quiz we have done. In that you have to give the answer. So first was, what is the largest planet in solar system? That was Jupiter. What is the brightest object in the sky? That was sun. What planet is nicknamed the red planet? That is Mars. What planet is so light it could float on water? That is Saturn. What is the only planet known to support life? Earth. What planet is the farthest from the sun? Neptune. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune. What planet has the largest ring system? Saturn. What planet is the seventh from the sun? Uranus. Then we have done match the following. In that we have two columns. In first column the names of the planets are there, and second there are the descriptions of it. So first is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Then Venus, the hottest planet. Then Earth, where we live. Then Mars, known as the red planet. Then Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Then Saturn has 7 rings and at least 60 moons. Uranus, an ice giant that spins on its sides. Then Neptune, the windiest planet with winds up to 1200 meter per hour. So these are the planets with the descriptions. So here we have done it, the revision of it. I hope you all are with me and you have written all this in your rough book. And if you are left behind, you can go back and see this video again and again. You can rewind it. You can pause the video and write it in your rough book, and you can revise it if you want to revise. So I hope you all enjoyed this lecture. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this lecture, and thank you for listening me. And if you have any doubt, you can go back and watch this video again. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a wonderful day.